Oh, good morning, good morning. Can you see me? Today is April the 7th, 2019. Yes, it's Sunday. Anyway, this Cobra 9mm Derringer was bought a good while back, and I went to go shoot it, and it was misfiring. So I took it back to the store, and they sent it to Cobra in Utah, and there it stayed for 3 months, and very hard to communicate with those people, as I was told. They gave up waiting and decided to give me this one instead. We did some paperwork, traded off, which is really nice. It's a nice company. And anyway, and I haven't shot it very much, but this one is misfiring too, and this is what this video is about. I'm going to shoot a volley of 6 aluminum 9mm and then 6 brass, and let's see how many misfires we can get out of those 12 bullets, okay? I have never liked loading in a Derringer. That little retaining clip that fits in the collar of the bullet never works the way I want it to. Imagine getting in a gunfight with this thing. Aluminum. That's 2 for 2. Hey Mom, Dad. There you go. That's a misfire. Count 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, if y'all could only see this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. That firing pin at the bottom hit really good. This one at the top just tapped it, okay? So I'm gonna take the spent one, throw it on the ground, put the one that was tapped at the bottom barrel, and put a fresh bullet. Well, I got that backwards in the top one. Anyway, it doesn't matter, the thing ain't firing right. Misfire already. Same bullet. Oh, and I'm not going to try to keep up count with the misfires in comparison to the ones that do fire. You'll just have to see it for yourself. 2 fresh bullets. Misfire. Now for the brass bullets. Two for 2 with the brass bullets. Keeping my shells all the same spot so they're easier to pick up. I shot a volley of brass bullets before this video, and they all fired, unlike the aluminum bullets. But they're the same manufacturer. I don't know why I'm jerking. This little gun will make your fingers hurt. Misfire on the brass bullet. Let's look at the misfire, the firing pin on the misfire bullet. This is the bottom barrel. I had said it was the top barrel, but it's the bottom barrel is the one that's misfiring. Okay. I'm gonna leave that tapped firing pin, the one that wasn't hit very much, in its same place, and put a fresh bullet in the top barrel. Lord help. Okay, here we go again. Safety's off. Pushing on the, it's locked, the barrel's locked. That gum is so hard I can't even, now I got a new problem. I can't even fire the gun unless I really press hard on this trigger. Well, obviously the bullet that didn't fire the first time fired the second time. But you can already tell this thing, it ain't worth having. I mean, you want a gun, I mean, you definitely don't take a gun like this out to plinkett shoot. It's for self-defense only. And if it's misfiring like it does, it's got a problem. This is 2 out of 2 guns, the 9mm Cobra Derringer, that had a problem with misfiring. This is the 5 and 6 bullets on the brass. I'm about to use my left hand. This one's starting to hurt. Anyway, there. I hope I proved my point. Thank y'all for watching.